southbound, Southwest 965, taxi with hotel.
Midland International Airport Information Hotel, 2353 Zulu, wind 360 at 23, gust 30, visibility 10, flowing dust, view clouds at 12,000, temperature 7, dew point -7, altimeter 3004, peak wind 360 at 33 occurred at 2324 Zulu, RNAV approach, runway 34 left in use, approaches are being conducted to intersecting runways, notice to airman, runway 28, hold position sign at runway 4 right side missing, runway 28, hold position sign at runway 16 left, runway 34 right, light out of service. Runway 10, hold position sign at runway 16 left, runway 34 right, left side, light out of service. Runway 16 left, hold position sign at runway 10, runway 28, light out of service. Hazardous weather information for the state of Texas is available for flight service. Advise owners contact Give Information Hotel. Midland International Airport Information Hotel, 2353 Zulu, wind 360 at 23, gust 30, visibility 10, flowing dust, view clouds at 12,000, temperature 7, dew point
65.
That'll be 24.
24, thanks, Southwest 965.
Midland Ground, November 65217.
6521 Hotel, Grant.
November 65217 at signature with hotel, like to taxi for VFR departure to the east.
217, what's your destination?
It'll be Big Spring, Bravo, Papa Golf, 217.
217, roger. Runway 34 left, taxi via Papa Delta.
34 left via Papa Delta, 65217.
At 217, departure frequency 124.6, squawk 0273.
0273 and 124.6, 65217. Midland Tower, November 65217, holding short 34 left on Delta.
November 65217, Midland Tower, hold short runway 34 left, hold for weight turbulence.
Hold short 34 left, 65217.
Southwest 965, contact departure.
Departure, Southwest 965.
Cessna 65217, runway 34 left, clear for takeoff, wind 36025, gust 32.
34 left, clear for takeoff, 65217. Alright, finals clear. Give me the clearance, 34 left. We're going to rotate 59 knots. 34 and L on the pavement. And I've got 3, 2, 3, 5. We're ready to go. Off the brakes. And accelerate.
Cessna 217, proceed on course.
Proceed on course 217.
Cessna 217, contact departure.
Over to departure 217. Midland departure Skyline 65217, climbing through 3,500.
Skyline 68217, departure radar contact, proceed on course.
Proceed on course 217.
That was 965 center sign, vector turn 30 degrees to the right.
30 degrees to the right, southwest 965.
That was 965, contact Fort Worth centered on 126.15, they'll get you on course as soon as they can.
2615, southwest 965.
Air Shuttle 6168, contact tower 187.
Air Shuttle 6168, see it.
Yep. Second 00 Foxtrot, Foxtrot, contact tower 187.
Tower 118.70, Foxtrot, Foxtrot.
Midland approach, Stingray 824, getting ready level at 14,000, we got hotel.
Stingray 824, Midland approach. Good evening, flighting 250, vector RNAV, runway 34 left, final approach course, to maintain 6,000.
Hey, 250, 6,000 vectors for the RNAV, 34 left, Stingray 824.
Big Spring, McMahon Wrinkle Airport. Automated weather observation 0049er. Zulu weather wind 350 at 23 gust 31 visibility 10.
I'm looking for 75. Now, glide slope's coming in. I'm looking for 65 over the numbers. Ooh, 2 white, 2 red, I'm on it. A little power. Slow my descent. Gas, both. Undercarriage down and welded. Mixture rich, prop full forward. My lights are on. That little bit of throttle threw me up in the air a bit. It's okay, I'll land with a little more speed. I gotta float the runway, that's fine. I'll float it a little bit. Assured my landing. Power back.